How to fix Grammarly app not working on mobile. Hi everyone, this is Max. I hope you are doing great. So let's start without wasting time. First of all, go to the Play Store and check for updates for Grammarly. Open up your Play Store. Now tap on the search bar and search for Grammarly. Now make sure to update to the latest version. After you are done with that, go back to your home screen and open up settings. Now scroll down and click on apps. Tap on app management and search for Grammarly. Tap on it, click on force stop, again tap on force stop. Now scroll down, tap on storage usage and tap on clear data. Now tap on delete and restart the application. If it's still not working, go back to the Play Store, tap on uninstall and then reinstall the application. After installing, restart your device. I hope this will fix the issue. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe our channel for more awesome content. Have a warning question want to suggest a topic? Drop down a comment below. This is Max signing off until next time.